In this video, I will show you how to fix Disney Plus if it keeps buffering or freezing. First, check whether the issue is with your internet connection. Open another streaming website or play a high-quality video on YouTube. If it plays without buffering, your internet is likely not the problem. Next, refresh the Disney Plus page and sign out of your account. Once you have been signed out, sign back in. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies for Disney Plus. For that, you can simply click on the three dots. Now click on Delete Browsing Data, select All Time, check all of these boxes and click on the Delete Data option. You can also try opening Disney Plus in a different web browser. If it works there, the issue is likely related to your original browser. If you're facing this problem in Disney Plus app, then you want to clear the app's cache. Also, make sure that you have disabled any ad blockers or VPN. Finally, check whether Disney Plus is experiencing a temporary server outage. If the service is having issues, you'll need to wait until Disney Plus resolves the problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.